So what I mean with side jog is you kind of just turn it over and then leave it here, like this and you just let it rest on the side of the deck. And this looks so natural. Like, if you don't do it this way, definitely do it this way from now on. This looks so like natural. It feels like a one card, like, and you just treat it like very. It's like haphazard, you know. I really like it when a card is out jogged like this or side jogged after a double turnover. It looks really good, and it gives off the impression and the feeling to the spectator that it's just one card. Like, it's weird. It's subtle, but it works super, super good. And then also you side jog it because now if I want to turn it over, all I need to do is just come and flip it over. I don't need to reestablish a break. I don't need to reestablish a grip. I don't have to reestablish anything. I can take one finger and just tip it over if I want to. So that's why I suggest using the side jog. Now it will take a little practice to get comfortable with it, but you can do your Stuart Gordon like that as well. You just leave it out jog like this. I do like a side jog, out jog, kind of like this. It just looks really good, and then you can display the card to a larger audience. So when you have the card on top of the deck, it's harder to present it to like more people. This is much more theatrical looking. You know what I mean? Like if you handle the deck and the card like this and you just kind of show it around, it literally feels. It's the most convincing way to handle the double that you can do. Honestly, I didn't really go over that in the double lift video, but that's like more for basics. That's like more for beginners and stuff. You know what I mean? But this is the kind of shit that you can do once you get like a little bit more advanced with like the get readies and stuff like that. So also, so out jogging, I was kind of talking about my video, you side jog like this. Now I can pick up the double, or I can reposition it, or whatever, you know, I can, it just allows me to be a little bit more, have more accessibility with what to do with the double. If I just turn it over on the deck, it's not as accessible. It's not as easy to grab and do stuff with. So yeah.